In this video, I will show you the basic workflow in Write Plan. To work with your data, you first need to choose which plan or scenario you want to work with. Just click on the Qlik selection box of your plans and choose your plan out of the list. You can work with multiple plans, but to get the table view, you need to select at least one plan. For this tutorial, I choose the actual budget of the year 2019. I could also only choose a specific period, but I'm going to stick with the 1 year table. You could also select and plan with a subset of periods within a year if you want to. In this bar you can see 6 different icons. The first 2 are for saving and restoring data. This icon creates a new plan and this one a new forecast. We will get into more details about them in another video. These icons expand or collapse the whole table. In this example, I have 4 different dimensions that define the hierarchy I want to plan on. It is up to you to define the depth of the hierarchy for planning. There are no limitations. Here we see a sales plan scenario with the hierarchy of the company's total, the region, the sales representative, and the customer. There are different ways in telling which layer you are currently working in if you ever get lost. The level of gray indicates which dimension you are currently in. The deeper you are at your table, the brighter the background color. You can always expand and minimize the list by clicking on the small triangle. And you can also check for numeration at the beginning of the table. But the numbers are not connected to the data itself. The top layer will always be number 1, doesn't matter what you set as top layer. And finally, at the end of each row and column, you can find the total column sum, which is the total of every sale within a month or a year.